Welcome to this INNO Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by INNO Plus. Servicing user level. Weekly user maintenance. pH sensor cleaning. Close the supply tap to the sensor line. Remove the pH sensor. Take care, it is glass. Clean it with a soft, clean rag. Then reinstall. Do not over tighten the collar. It just needs to be tight enough to retain the glass sensor. Open the tap until there is enough flow showing in the sight glass beyond the sensor block. Opening the sensor's tap too far will damage the sensors over time. Cleaning the conductivity sensor. Close the supply tap. Unscrew the large grey collar to remove the sensor. Clean and ensure the eye is clear and the stainless steel pin is clean. Reinstall the sensor with the stainless steel pin facing directly into the supply flow. Open the tap until enough flow is flowing that the sight glass beyond the sensor block is flowing full. Cleaning the filter. Set the air scrubber to maintenance and wait for the pump to stop. Remove and clean the filter. Replace the filter and fill with water. Seal the filter. Ensure that both taps are closed, left and right, top and bottom, and then screw down the 6 hand buttons on top of the cover until the seal is pressed flat. Take care not to over tighten, as this can crack the clear lid. Set the air scrubber back to on. Cleaning the tech room. Good housekeeping will help you find issues early and will prevent corrosion and failures. Yearly user maintenance. Cleaning the filter package. Using the wash hose, rinse the package through. This may be required more often if the pressure difference over the package rises faster. Check your specific system details to know what this setting is. For further support, please contact us.